So what basically you mean by CIS? It says CIS stands for Center for Internet Security, and it's a non-profit organization. Basically, the mission is to develop, validate, promote, and sustain the best practices in the world to defense the various cybersecurity attacks and lead the communities to trust in the cyberspace. Okay. So, like as discussed yesterday, we have discussed 20 CIS critical security controls, which plays a major key role. Suppose if those controls are implemented, so it's not very easy. Like you can implement those various security top 10 security controls under various tools, and after those tools have been implemented, so you can use these benchmarks as one of the standard, and you can implement the same thing in your organizations. Okay. So either how you can implement these things, there are two ways. One is you are using your CIS Cat Lite tool, or there are some benchmark standard PDF files are there, but which is in a manual process. Okay. So stepwise there is some around 1000 pages of document is there, but the beautification of this PDF is like each and everything you have to go to the tool, you have to check the settings, security settings, how far your security settings are implemented, and you can take the screenshots and you can paste into your report. But in case of the tool, it gives all automated result, but you cannot guarantee what is the false positive report also. Okay. So it may give some negative reports and also give some true reports. So for confirmation, you can randomly go one of the, like it gives the different sections. So one of the section you can just go and check it whether it is giving a proper results or not. But 80% it gives good results as compared to the manual and as well as automatic. Okay. So you can just go to this CIS, this benchmark tool, and you can download and you can run in your own tool, in your own Windows 10 machine or whatever the OS which you are using, and you can see how far your what is the compliance score and what is your security benchmark score. Okay. So STIG, what basically STIG is, it's also security technical implementation guide. So which is basically morely focus on what we say like network protocols, security protocols, and what exactly the hardening and exactly to improve. So with that improvisation, how we can improve the security of overall networks and overall security, and how to design the network architecture. So with respect to your systems, with respect to your what we say like different logical architectures. Suppose if the software is there, so how we can use this software as a basic implementation guide. So we can see those under the STIG. Okay. So for that purpose, you can just download or you can go to the CIS STIG tool, and you can just download that tool and you can run it. Okay. So these are the different devices and different standards we are using in day-to-day life for hardening purposes. Okay. So you can just implement it and you can just use as per your convenience and how exactly your OS is there, and you can secure your overall architecture. Okay. So NIST is also, I think you know, the NIST is also one of the standard, basic, very famous standard, National Institute of Standards and Technology, which offers a guidelines and technology. Okay. And it also gives you a cyber security framework, how to implement and how to respond to different attacks. Like there are two, recover, identify, protect, detect. Okay. Detect, protect, identify, recover, and respond. So these are the different 5 steps to which NIST will take care under the cyber security framework. Okay. So these are the different standards. One is standard is your CIS common internet security, and next is your STIG security technical implementation guide, and next is your NIST, National Institute of Standards and Technology. Okay. So these are the different frameworks. Okay. Different frameworks which are used in day-to-day life for protecting your architecture or different devices under your category. Okay.